How are you all? Hope you are fine. Today I'm going to show you how to create a portable USB mass storage device from any ISO files. Okay, to accomplish this task we have to install the application called Rufus, like this. Rufus application, you can download that application from that website. Okay, you can hit Rufus 3.8 to download the latest version of that application. By the way, when you are going to download that application is a standalone file. Standalone means that application could be run from clicking on the one file rather than installing that application into your PC. Okay, I have already downloaded that application. Now I am going to open that application. Okay, first thing, you will select the ISO file. Okay, when you selected the ISO file, it will display some information about that ISO file. Partition scheme within that ISO file is GPT. Target system mean the desktop application or a Windows application will be UEFI. You are going to run that ISO file into the workstation which is using UEFI scheme. Okay, format partition, label, volume label, UEFI, any label you choose. File system, you have to choose native system. Okay, start. Okay, we will tell that application finish the whole process. Okay, by the way, the ISO file I think is 400 megabyte. Okay, when that application finish this process, you can plug your USB now into any desktop device which is using UEFI system, so as you will not choose to select UEFI from the BIOS. You have to only plug that USB into your USB device and will boot it. Okay, you have just created a media that uses UEFI native bootloader. Please remember that to boot this you must disable secure boot. Okay, you must disable secure boot. Thanks for your watching.